Hey, what's up YouTube? In this video, I'm going to walk you through how to get the Goldstrike extended convex mirrors installed on a 2018 Honda Goldwing. If you've been keeping up with my channel, I recently installed the exact same mirrors on my 2021 Honda Goldwing DCT, but those mirrors have the sequential turn signals. The installation today will be just the standard Goldstrike Panavista extended convex mirrors without these sequential turn signals. I want you to stay tuned to this video, and I'm going to show you how I get these mirrors installed on a 2018 Honda Goldwing. So let's get started.
Goldwing Rider, a shadowy flight into the dangerous world of a man who is fearless. A young loner on a crusade to champion the cause in a world of reckless automobiles. These are my motovlogs.
So we're looking at the Goldstrike Panavista extended convex mirrors. I'm going to show you what actually comes in the box. These are the non-lighted mirrors. So when you get your Goldstrike mirrors, inside of the box you're going to get 2 mirrors, and you're going to get some installation instructions. That's the only thing that comes inside of this box. You can order these lighted or non-lighted. These are the non-lighted, but they are the same. If you put them side by side, if you look at them, they look the exact same. You cannot tell the difference. So if you're not sure on which one to order, they both look the same. The non-lighted mirrors will be easier to install. So I'm gonna show you how I get these installed on a 2018 Honda Goldwing. For this non-lighted mirror, we do not have to take the side mirrors off of the Honda Goldwing. If you're doing the lighted, you have to take the mirrors off. If you're doing non-lighted, you do not have to take the mirrors off. So I'm gonna show you how simple it would be to get these things installed. The trick is getting the mirror off of the bike. So you know how you adjust your mirror, right, left, how you get these adjusted? You want to flip them up. You want to just adjust it up all the way. So basically we're going to pop out the bottom and drop down the top. So we're going to pop out the bottom and drop down the top. So we're going to pop them out. Okay, you heard them release. Then we're going to push down. Let me go out. Down. Just that simple. So if you look at the back of the mirror, you got these little tabs. These little tabs are gonna hook in to the top. They're gonna go in first, and then you're gonna snap them on the bottom. So you're gonna hook from the top, snap from the bottom. Hook from the top, snap from the bottom. Now, if you look at the Goldstrike mirrors and compare them, you see the difference in the size. The Goldstrike mirror is a lot bigger. The original mirrors are a lot smaller. So we're gonna hook in from the top. Just line up your tabs. So you're gonna snap in the bottom, just like that. That mirror is in there. Now, when you adjust it, you wanna, don't just push on one side. When you adjust it with both hands. Right, left, up, or down. Okay? Next, you wanna peel the film off of the mirror. It's just that simple. That mirror is installed, it's ready to go. So now we're gonna do the second mirror. Same step. We're gonna push in on the top, snap out the bottom. Okay, we're gonna push in on the top, push in, right? I pushed in, I'm gonna reach. I pushed it in, I'm gonna pull out from the bottom. You hear it snapped. Next, I gotta drop the top down. So I'm gonna push in on the bottom and push down. I'm gonna release those tabs underneath. So as you can see, you got those tabs that hooks in from the top, snap on the bottom. Hooks, snaps. Okay, it's very simple. You may have to kind of play around with it if it doesn't come right off, but it will come off. I'm going to take my new mirror. Okay, you're gonna hook those tabs on the top. You may even take a flashlight where you can see. Snap those in. You got the top connected. Now I'm gonna press in on the top to make the bottom stick out, and now I can press in on the bottom to snap it in. Just like that. It's just that simple. That mirror has been installed. Next step is pull. You want to pull the vinyl off of the mirror. And when you adjust the mirror, adjust it with both hands. Nice and gentle. Don't force it. Sit on the bike and get the mirrors adjusted to your desired position. You see the difference between the original mirrors and the Goldstrike mirrors? The Goldstrike mirrors are a lot wider. It makes the objects seem bigger, eliminating those hard to see blind spots when you're riding your motorcycles. Again, this is the Goldstrike Panavista Extended Convex Mirror, non-lighted. Is that the non-lighted mirrors look identical to the lighted mirrors. You can't tell the difference. The only time you can tell the difference is when you turn on the signal. These Goldstrike mirrors are what Honda should have put on the bike when it came from the factory. Unfortunately, the original mirrors on the Honda Goldwing are too small. These Goldstrike Extended Convex mirrors are a game changer. So I want everybody to chime in on this video. Drop a comment, let me know what you think, whether you already purchased these mirrors, let us know. Or if you plan to purchase the mirrors, be sure to put that in the comment section below. So I'm not gonna take up any more of your time. I just wanted to show you how simple it would be to get the non-lighted Goldstrike Panavista Extended Convex mirrors installed on a new style Honda Goldwing. And I'll see you guys a little bit later. See ya.